Hi guys, so in this particular video I'll be showing you 4 chart patterns that will help you to make the right decision either to buy or to sell. So let's check the first one very quickly. The first one is what I called double top. When you open your chart, what you need to look for is this particular chart pattern. But the first thing you need to do, make sure you are not below 15 minutes time frame. You are not below 15 minutes time frame. You can be on 15 minutes or 30 or 1 hour. As long as you are not lesser than 15 minutes, this will definitely be accurate. Alright, so this double top chart pattern comes in form of letter M. As you can see, it has a 2 edge up here which stops at the same level, and this is exactly what we are looking for. And if you are willing to trade this double top chart pattern, is a sign of a sell, which is short position. Double top pattern, whenever you see this, the price will definitely come down. The price will definitely come down. So what we need to do is to place our order right here. Let me just place that one right here. Okay, so what you need to do is, once you see this double top chart pattern, you wait on the second hand. You know, letter M has 2 hands, one on the left and one on the right. You wait for a red candle to form on the right. It will form and close. Then you place your, my screen is kind of shaking, let me correct that. Okay, yeah, so you place your order at the opening of the second sell candle. That's a confirmation that this thing is definitely going down. You place your order at this opening of the second sell candle, and what you need to target is just the previous low, your previous low, which is same thing as support. As you can see on the left hand side here, this is my low and I'm targeting the same level as my low. My order is exactly at the opening of the second candle, and my stop loss is a bit above the high, you understand? And just target the level, the same level with your previous low. And as you can see, this is a win trade. So let me show you the second one that we'll be trading. These things work like magic. I'll be showing you 4 different samples. It works like magic, but don't forget, do not use it below 15 minutes time frame. All right, so this is the second chart pattern that I will be talking about, and this second one is called double bottom. You know, the first one we talked about is double top. This one is double bottom. Let me mark it out like this. Yeah, so this is double bottom. Double top has 2 up and this one has 2 down. It's just like the opposite of double top. This is double bottom. So whenever you see this on the chart pattern, any chart that is from 15 minutes time frame, I'm emphasizing on it so that you do not make the mistake, because price often respects charts and information that comes on medium or higher time frame. All right, this has 2 lows at the same level. Whenever you see this, the price will definitely go high. So we are taking a long position right here, and don't forget, we wait for the green candle on the right hand side to close. Then we place our trade at the opening of the second candle. The reason why we wait for the first candle to close is for a confirmation, so that we don't end our trade in loss. You understand? So that we don't end our trade in loss. Sorry, let me make adjustment to this. Okay, just put it right here. All right, so the reason why we wait for the green candle to form if we are buying is to wait for a confirmation, and if we are selling, which is double top, we wait for a red candle to form. So you place your order right at the opening of the second green candle. You place your stop loss below the low, a little bit below the low. Then your take profit should be at the same level with the previous high. As you can see, your take profit at the previous high. All right, so let's move very quickly because I do not want this video to be too lengthy. That's why I have to rush a few things. Let me go straight to the third one. Let me just scroll here and I will show you the third one right here. All right, so this is the third one right here, and this one is called inverted head and shoulder. You need to play pay close attention to this particular one because it's a little bit complex, but I'll try as much as possible to break it down. So let me just mark it out this way so it will be easy to identify. I will zoom it out so that you can see. Let me just try and let me zoom it a little bit. Okay, sorry. All right, so let me just zoom it out here. I want to mark it out. Where's this tool? Sorry. All right, so let me just mark it out right here. Inverted head and shoulder. This inverted head and shoulder often has 3 head that is turning upside down, just like double top and double bottom, which has 2 heads. This particular one has 3 heads, but it's like a double bottom, like a triple bottom, but they are not always equal. I will explain better. Let me just mark it out so that you can see it clearly. All right, yeah, so let me change this color so that you can see clearly. All right, so as you can see, let me zoom it out a bit so that you see what I'm talking about. No, sorry, give me a second. No, okay, yeah, so let me just zoom it out here. Can you see the white line that I drew under? So this is inverted head and shoulder, having the first shoulder that is low, having the second head lower, and having the third shoulder at the same level with the first shoulder. This is inverted head and shoulder. I'm trying to take it slow because this one is a bit complex. So if you are trading this as well, it's also a buy signal. It's also a buy signal. When you see this trade, the price is definitely going to go high. So we are taking a long trade right here. Let me zoom it down so you can see properly. And don't forget, like I said, the right place for you to place your order. Do not make that mistake of probably entering too early or getting in too late. If you enter too early, it will increase your risk, and if you enter too late, it can also increase your risk, or better still, reduce your profit. So you have to just wait for your confirmation and know the right place to enter. All right, so we'll be waiting for the next buy candle to open, then we'll place our order right here. I hope you can see the screen very closely. The first buy candle has closed, and I'm placing my order at the beginning, which is the opening of the second buy candle. All right, so I'll be placing the order right there. Okay, let me just adjust this. All right, so as you can see here, I'm placing the trade at the opening of the second buy candle. And what do I say? You target the previous high. If you are buying, you target your previous high. All right, so the market can go beyond, but we don't want to be greedy right here. That's the reason why a lot of people lose money, because of greediness. All right, so let's move to the last one, which will be head and shoulder. Okay, I just had to mark it out so I wouldn't take much time on this particular chart. Okay, let me zoom it out. I hope you can see this properly right here. All right, so this is head and shoulder. Let me remark it out, my rectangle to okay. All right, so just take this back a little bit. Yeah, so this is our head and shoulder. Head and shoulder and inverted head and shoulder. When something is inverted, that means it's turning opposite direction. So inverted head and shoulder and head and shoulder, they are just opposite position, just like double top and double bottom. So I just want to mark it out so you can see clearly. Inverted head and shoulder is turning down, just like double bottom, just having 2 shoulders and 1 head. But on the other hand, the real head and shoulder has 2 shoulders as well with 1 head, but it's not turning down, it's turning up, just like double top You understand? So the head is up and the two shoulder is up, as you can see in the diagram. If you have any question or you are confused about something, you can just rewind and just scroll back a bit to check what might be confusing you, and make sure you watch the video carefully so that you get the information rightly. And please, every information that I'm sharing in this video is just for educational purpose. You are not to just take it for what it is. You need to backtest before you go into your live trading. All right, so I'll just be placing my order exactly at what I said earlier. When you are selling, you wait for a sell candle to close and you place your order at the opening of the second sell candle. This is for us to wait for our confirmation so that we don't enter too early, so that we don't get stopped out, or we don't enter too late so that we don't miss out on profit. And like I said, once you are selling, you target what for your profit? You target the previous low. You target your previous low. Do not be too greedy. As you can see, the market exceeded even our TP, which is our take profit, but we don't mind as long as we've secured our own profit. So if you think this content is helpful, please do well to like, share this video and subscribe.